Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make sukiyaki. The ingredients that you need are slices of beef, mushrooms. I'm using shiitake and brown beach mushrooms, but you can use any kind that you'd like. This herb that I found at the Asian market, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's really good in sukiyaki. And I'm using Napa cabbage, but you can use any vegetables that you like. You also need garlic and Thai chili peppers, vermicelli noodles, soy sauce, seasoning sauce, sugar, and water. Let's start by preparing the vegetables. I'm going to cut my Napa cabbage like so, and then placing it into a colander by separating them and washing them. Next is this herb. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the ends because it is very hard to eat, and then cutting the rest into 3-inch pieces, making sure I remove all of the rotten pieces. Place them into a colander and then go ahead and wash it thoroughly and set aside. Next are the mushrooms. You can go ahead and cut them in half or into quarters depending on how big the mushrooms are. For the brown beach mushrooms, I'm just going to cut off the bottoms and then separating the pieces. To make the sukiyaki sauce, I'm using a mortar and pestle. I'm going to start by crushing in my garlic and my red chili peppers, then adding about 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of seasoning sauce, half cup of water, mixing that very well, and then adding more to taste. Place the vermicelli noodles in a big bowl and cover with boiling hot water. Let it sit until softened and then drain out the water. Go ahead and cut the vermicelli noodles into smaller pieces so that it's easier to eat. Now, using a big pan, you're going to add some sesame oil on medium heat and start cooking your beef slices. Add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the sukiyaki sauce. Continue to cook the beef until no longer pink, and then push to the side. Now add in the cabbage, the mushrooms, the other herb, and the rest of the other mushroom. Place the softened vermicelli right in the center, and then you're going to pour in the rest of the sukiyaki sauce. Let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you are all done. Enjoy with a side of white rice.